Good morning, students. Welcome to the online English class. In the last class, we started a new chapter, The Village School. Today, too, we shall continue with it. Before starting with today's lesson, let us do a quick recap. Totaram, a young boy of the village Indora, and his friend Bala came to know about the new thing that appeared in their village. This new thing was a strange place called school. While the other boys and girls went to school, Totaram preferred to continue with his works in the field. However, one day while taking the cattle in the fields, he saw the school and thought that it might be an interesting place and decided to attend the classes. As he started late, he lagged behind other students in learning to read and write. However, in a month's time, he learned a little. He attended the school secretly, but one day his secret is revealed in front of his mother. Now let us start with today's lesson. Here we have a situation where Totaram's mother came to know of his secret. That is, he goes to school without their knowledge. His mother thought his father will be angry because he did not obey his father. However, it seems that Totaram's mother was not much angry or sad. Why? It was because now she got someone to read the letter that she had received. So what she did? She gave the letter to Totaram and he read the letter for her. Listening to his son reading, she was astonished. She was very much surprised. She even thought her son to be a scholar. Now, a scholar is a highly educated person. However, Totaram was not a scholar in the truest sense of the term. But the amazement of his mother witnessing an absolutely unimaginable sight of Totaram's reading made her say this. She was pleased with the news in the letter. It said her sister had a son. Now she did not tell Totaram's father that the boy had disobeyed him and had gone to the school. So, why did Totaram's mother not tell anything to his father about his secret? She chose not to disclose Totaram's secrets to his father as she was happy to receive the news of the birth of her sister's son. Then the story moves forward. And we get to know that after a few days, Totaram and his sister Jai noticed that their father was disturbed and seemed as if he was in trouble. How Jai knew it? Because when she ran to show him how her brass plate shone in the light after she had polished it with ash, their father replied her, "Go away, child." Now, what is a brass plate? You can see it is a plate made out of this metal. You can see in the picture. And this "go away, child" says that he was disturbed. Their father was disturbed and he did not want to see all these things. Totaram remembered that he had seen a strange man talking to his father. He had not liked the look of him. You see, students, our eyes, facial expressions, gestures speak volume about our thoughts, how we are thinking at that particular moment. One can say, looking at our face, that we are sad or we are happy. Similarly, Totaram noticed such demeanor of the man which suggested that something was wrong. Totaram's suspicion, however, came true in no time. This strange man showed a paper to Totaram's father and said, "All that you have to do is to make a thumb mark here and I will lend you the 50 rupees you need." Why thumb impression? Remember, Totaram's father was an illiterate villager. Thus, he could not sign his name. So, this man gave him a paper and wanted his thumb impression. The paper which the strange man had shown was actually a contract which, according to him, said that Totaram's father had to pay this man 2 rupees a month as interest for a loan of 50 rupees. But the truth was something else, which Totaram uncovered. As he was sitting on the tree above them, he read what was written on the paper. He told his father that the man was cheating him as taking advantage of his illiteracy. He was taking his consent on different statement, which says that Totaram's father had to pay 5 rupees a month for a loan of 100 rupees until he pay back complete amount. On this revelation, Totaram's father realized that he was going to be deceived or cheated due to his illiteracy, that is, his inability to read or write. This incident helped Totaram's father to realize the importance of education and importance of being literate. His opinion changed, as now he thought school was not a bad thing. Therefore, finally, he approved of earlier strange place, school. That is, now he allowed his kids to go to school and get education. Because now he understood that by being educated, no one can deceive him or his children. I hope you liked reading this story. Let me know how do you like it. Now, read the whole story and then write the answers of these given questions and send it to me by Monday, that is 15th June 2020 at the given email ID. If you have any queries, you can always mail me at the given email ID, but definitely in the class hours. Thank you.